Hello, fellow hair loss people. Today is day 168, which is 24 weeks post-op. Just a quick recap, I did have a hair transplant. It was 4,000 grafts, which was 2,500 at my front hairline, 1,500 at my crown area. I traveled to Istanbul, Turkey, and I saw Dr. Gur through the FUE Capular Clinic. So looking into my hair transplant, one thing that I really feel is that my hair feels thick, like thick, which is so cool. I never thought I'd be here, and I honestly think it looks absolutely amazing. But my hair feels really thick. I did get a fade this past month. I don't think that I'll be doing that again. I'm gonna let my hair sides grow out a little bit longer. That's kind of how I used to wear my hair, and I think how I'm gonna do it this month. One thing is I am going to get a haircut towards the end of next week. One thing that I want to do is I've been very cautious about trimming my transplanted hairs. They say for the first 6 months to be very, very gentle with your transplanted hairs. You can't use an electric razor or anything like that. So I'm about to come up in the middle of August on my 6-month mark. And I would like to kind of trim these guys up a little bit. You can see, actually that's the perfect angle to look at it. I've been very cautious about cutting this side, especially just because it's been my weak side, but this hair is now no longer looking uniform with the rest of my hair. So I do need to get it trimmed up a little bit. I need to get things cleaned up a little bit on my head. But this is the foot out. As you guys know, this is how I've been kind of judging my hair. It is looking very thick. It's very thick towards the front of my hairline. It's a little bit thinner towards the back here. But one interesting thing is I do notice that my scalp is a little bit itchy. Part of that itchiness is hairs coming back through my scalp. I know that hairs are still continuing to come in. I do know that it is getting thicker, and I do notice that this left side, which has been my historically weak side, really is getting quite a bit thicker. So overall, I'm incredibly happy with the results. I can't believe how it looks. Honestly, it looks like my native hair. One thing that's probably worth mentioning, the texture of the hair feels a little bit different than the texture of my native hair. My native hair is quite a bit softer than my transplanted hairs. It's my understanding that over time that texture will change a little bit, and that it after maybe a year or so of being transplanted, the texture should blend in a little bit more. But overall, I'm incredibly happy with my results. This is how it looks. My foot out, then looking back at the back of my head. That is how it looks, guys. If you guys have any questions at all, make sure to comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe for all my future videos. Thanks, guys.